What if I told you that 95% of people using ChatGPT are basically driving a Ferrari in first gear? While everyone's asking, write me an email, the pros are literally having AI control their screen, automate their entire workflow, and generate thousands of dollars worth of research reports in minutes. I've spent months reverse engineering how the top 5% actually use ChatGPT, and what I discovered will blow your mind. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact advanced techniques that separate ChatGPT amateurs from absolute weapons. We're talking about features so powerful they feel borderline illegal. And here's the crazy part. Most of these are completely free, but almost nobody knows they exist. Number 1, Agent Mode, your AI employee. Forget asking ChatGPT questions. What if it could literally do the work for you? Agent Mode is like having a digital employee that controls your computer while you grab coffee. Here's what blew my mind. I told it find 15 top restaurants in Dubai, create a spreadsheet with addresses, ratings, Instagram links, and opening hours. Then I walked away. When I came back, it had opened Google Sheets, researched everything, and handed me a perfect spreadsheet. It's not just research. It can book travel, generate leads, even fill out forms. Think about it. When AI can click buttons for you, you stop being the doer and become the director. That's the future happening right now. Number 2, deep research mode, your personal analyst. This is where ChatGPT transforms from a chatbot into a Wall Street analyst. Deep research mode doesn't just give you quick answers, it goes nuclear on the internet, verifying sources, cross-referencing data, building real reports. I tested this, analyzed 2025 real estate investment trends in Texas. What came back wasn't some generic response, it was a legitimate research report with market data, expert opinions, and actionable insights. The kind of report consulting firms charge $5,000 for. The secret? Type /deep research before your prompt, or just enable it from here. Most people don't even know this exists, but it's literally like having a research team working 24/7. Number 3, model switching mastery. Here's something that'll change everything. GPT-5 is actually multiple models pretending to be one. It auto-selects based on your question, but here's the problem. It's optimized for cost, not quality. So you're often getting the economy version when you need first class. The fix? Add think longer about this to any complex prompt. This forces the heavy-duty reasoning model, or manually switch to O3 for tasks requiring serious brain power. It's like the difference between asking an intern versus asking a PhD. Same platform, completely different intelligence level. Number 4, the self-scoring technique. This hack is absolutely insane. Before ChatGPT gives you an answer, you can make it create its own grading rubric, score its draft, and revise until it hits perfection. Copy this exact prompt. Before finalizing, privately create 5 to 7 criteria for an excellent answer. Draft, self-score against criteria, and revise until every criteria hits the highest score. Only show me the final version. I used this for a business proposal. The difference was night and day. Instead of generic advice, I got a proposal so good, my client asked who wrote it. That's the power of making AI compete against itself. Number 5, scheduled tasks, your proactive AI. While everyone's asking ChatGPT questions, the pros have it working in the background. Scheduled tasks flip the script. Instead of you going to AI, AI comes to you. I have ChatGPT send me a daily AI news summary every morning at 9 a.m. Another task analyzes my calendar weekly and suggests productivity improvements. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. Set this up once and ChatGPT becomes proactive instead of reactive. Most people don't even know this feature exists. Number 6, memory plus context stacking. Here's where it gets scary good. ChatGPT can remember your preferences, projects, even your communication style across all conversations. But the real hack? Feeding it examples of your best work. I uploaded 10 of my best email responses and told it to analyze my writing style. Now every email it writes sounds exactly like me. Same tone, same structure, same personality. The principle, don't start from scratch, start from excellence. Give it your best examples and it'll replicate that quality every time. Number 7, voice input for complex instructions. Typing long, detailed prompts is for amateurs. Voice input lets you give ChatGPT the full context, just like explaining to a colleague. You can ramble, add nuances, give background, all the stuff that makes responses actually useful. I'll spend 2 minutes explaining a complex business situation via voice, giving context I'd never type. The responses are 10 times better because ChatGPT has the full picture. It's the difference between texting someone instructions versus having a real conversation. Number 8, image transformation magic. This one is pure wizardry. Upload a product photo and ChatGPT can place it in completely new scenes while maintaining the exact look and style. I uploaded a bottle of date syrup and said, put this on a wooden kitchen table as part of a healthy breakfast setup. The result? professional product photography that would cost hundreds from a real photographer. E-commerce owners are sleeping on this. Why pay for product shoots when you can generate unlimited lifestyle photos in seconds? Number 9, document comparison and analysis. Upload 2 contracts and ChatGPT becomes your personal lawyer. It'll highlight every change, explain the implications, and even tell you which version is better for you. I tested this with service agreements. ChatGPT caught pricing changes, payment terms, and liability clauses I would have missed. Then it ranked which contract was better and explained why. Legal review that normally costs $500 per hour, happening in 30 seconds. Number 10, Canvas for iterative creation. Stop copying and pasting between ChatGPT and Google Docs. Canvas is like having Google Docs built into ChatGPT, but with AI superpowers. Write something, then tell it, make this more persuasive, or adjust for a CEO audience. It edits in real time with version history. You can even ask it to reverse engineer the prompt that would have created your final version. It's collaborative editing with the smartest writing partner on the planet. Number 11, advanced app integrations. While everyone's manually switching between apps, the pros have ChatGPT controlling everything. Connect Canva for instant presentations, Spotify for custom playlists, Booking.com for travel planning. I told it create a 2-hour gym playlist based on my usual music taste. It analyzed my Spotify history and built the perfect workout mix. Then I said, plan a 4-day business trip to Austin under $2,000, and it handled flights, hotels, and itinerary. It's like having a personal assistant with access to every app you use. Number 12, privacy controls that actually matter. Here's what most people don't know. ChatGPT uses your conversations to train its models by default. For sensitive business info, that's a problem. Go to settings, data controls, turn off improve model for everyone. Your data stays private, but chat history remains. For ultra sensitive stuff, use temporary chat mode. It's like incognito mode for AI. Number 13, chat organization system. Rename your chats with meaningful titles and use the search function. Sounds basic, but it's the difference between finding that perfect prompt in 5 seconds versus scrolling through 100 random chats. I organize by project type, real estate analysis, content creation, business strategy. Each chat becomes a searchable knowledge base. Number 14, custom instructions for consistency. Set your preferences once and every conversation starts with context. Tell it your role, your industry, your communication style, no more repeating yourself. Mine says, I'm a tech entrepreneur who prefers direct, actionable advice. Skip the fluff, give me frameworks and specific steps. Here's the truth. AI isn't replacing humans, but humans using AI are replacing humans who don't. These aren't just features. They're competitive advantages. While your competition is still asking, write me an email, you're having AI control your screen, automate your research, and generate professional-grade content in seconds. The gap between AI amateurs and AI weapons is getting wider every day. Which side do you want to be on? If this opens your eyes to what's actually possible, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI secrets that most people will never discover. The future belongs to those who master these tools first.